So good day everyone, I am Sanday Alidatuti and this is my video reporting. Psychotherapy is an approach for treating mental health issues by talking with a psychologist, psychiatrist, or another mental health provider. And it also known as a talk therapy, counseling, psychosocial therapy, or simply therapy. So when we say psychotherapy, is pwede nating sabihin na ikaw yung magka-counsel o magbibigay advice doon sa isang tao na merong health issues, no? Pwede mo siyang kausapin para mabawasan yung problem na naiisip niya, or pwede siyang mag-share sa iyo bilang isang counselor or bilang isang team counsel or the psychosocial therapy or the psychologist, like psychiatrist. So yun yung role natin. During psychotherapy, you learn about your specific issues and how your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors affect your moods. So yun nga yung sabi natin na bilang isang, pag ako yung may mental health issue, may problem, pwede ako mag-open up dun sa isang psychotherapy or dun sa counselor or sa isang psychiatrist upang ma-counsel niya ako, kung mabigyan ako ng advice, at the same time mabawasan yung emotion and yung mga thoughts na andirito sa akin, or yung mga behavior na pwede makapekto sa aking mood. So talk therapy helps you learn how to take control of your life and respond of challenging situations with healthy coping skills. No? Pag nag-open up ka sa isang psychiatrist o psychologist, pwedeng mabawasan yung or sa isang tao, pwede ka mag-open up sa isang tao, sa isang kaibigan, pwedeng mabawasan yung emotion na nararamdaman mo by way na nag-share ka sa isang tao, which is pwede ka niyang i-counsel, pwede siyang magbigay ng advice sa'yo. So, psychotherapy can help treat most mental health issues including the anxiety disorder, mood disorder, addiction, yung addiction such as yung alcohol use disorder, yung mga ganon, yung drug dependence, compulsive gambling, yung eating disorder, personality disorder, schizophrenia, or other disorder that cause attachment from reality. So actually, not everyone who benefits from psychotherapy is diagnosed with a mental illness. Psychotherapy can help with the stresses and conflict of life that can affect anyone. Hindi yung addiction na totally nakukuha natin by alcohol use disorder, mga ganun, yung mga eating disorder. Pwede siya sa yung mga nakakaranas ng stress, yung may anxiety, no? Pwede matulungan ng isang psychotherapy or psychologist yung mga ganung tao. Childhood trauma and adult object relations. So in psychotherapy, childhood trauma and adult object relation refers to the idea that early traumatic experiences in childhood can significantly influence how an adult forms relationship. So halimbawa, ikaw yung nakakatanda, pwede mong ma-influensyahan yung kabataan or yung isang bata na kung ano man yung maipapakita mo, pwede mo siya ma-influensyahan, pwede niyang gayahin yung mga nakikita niya sa iyo kasi isa siyang bata. Attachment theory in adult relationships. It suggests that the early bonds we form with our primary caregivers as a children significantly influence how we behave and interact in romantic relationship later in life. So meaning to say, yung kabataan is pwede nilang ma-adapt sa caregivers nila yung mga pinapakita ng mga teenager doon sa mga children. Object relation theory suggests that a child develops mental representations of their caregivers which become internalized and influence how they perceive and interact with others in adulthood. Meaning to say, pag yung isang bata, kung paano siya mag-internalize doon sa mga adult, doon sa mga teenagers, so maaari nilang ma-adapt or maaring ma-influensyahan yung bata kung ano man yung nakikita niya through the adults or the teenagers. Critique of object relations theory often points to its difficulty in empirically verifying early childhood experiences. its potential to overemphasize the negative aspects of the early relationship, a lack of consideration for biological factors, and limitation in explaining complex cognitive processes and later life experiences beyond early development. So particularly in cases of significant life change or trauma. As overemphasis in early childhood, critics argue that object relations theory can overemphasize the impact of every childhood experiences, potentially downplaying the role of later life relationships and experiences in shaping individual personality and behavior. So yun nga no, yung potential na parang makaapekto sa behavior ng isang bata, yung behavior or your personality ng individual, pwedeng makaapekto doon sa isang tao. Concept of humanity. The concept of humanity has multiple meanings, no, including the human race, the qualities of being a human, and a virtue of altruism. So number one is the humanity as the human race. But before, okay, pag-usapan muna natin ang humanity. Humanity is a virtual link with altruistic ethics derived from the human condition. It signifies human love and compassion towards each other. So humanity is nagdi-describe o sinasabi dito na humanity is yung human condition that signifies human love, no? Yung pagmamahal, compassion toward each other, yung pagmamahalan. Humanity and the act of love, altruism, and social intelligence are typically individual strengths, while fairness is generally expanded to all. Now, humanity is one of 6 virtues that are consistent across all culture. Humanity goes back to the development of humani or humanist. So number 1 is the humanity as the human race. Yun nga no, the totality of all people on earth, past or present, or a collectivity of human or humankind. No, is the humanity as the qualities of being a human. So sinasabi dito that the human condition or the humanness, no, the ability to love and be creative and have compassion, no. Yung sinasabi dito that humanity is ability to love, be creative, and the compassion. The third one is the humanity as a virtue. It's a virtue of altruism, benevolence, and social intelligence, or a human, sinasabi dito na a human strength, no? Yung humanity, it is a human strength that involves love, no? Nag-uusapan dito yung pagmamahal, no? Yung humanity and the compassion for others, yon. The fourth is the history of humanity, no? The concept of humanity has a long history. The concept of humanity is link to the development of humani or humanist philosophy, understanding humanity, no? Understanding humanity involves recognizing our shared traits, no? And our unique differences. Okay, kaibahan ng bawat isa by sharing our unique differences between the others.